Hello, hello. How are you? Let's wait a little bit that people will join in. I see we already have quite a lot. Let me know that you hear me, that all is good. In one moment we will start. In one moment we will start. Okay. Few moments and we'll start. How about you guys? How do you feel? Glad to see you. Okay, let's start. So, yeah, we'll start now. Basically, I think today I will just show some examples on how to work with Kolbo a little bit for the contest. Let me do some clarification. For some reason, some people thought that, I don't know, they just will make one prompt and that will be the video. No, the whole point is that you make multiple videos and you edit them to a story. Like people told me, hey man, there is only 5 seconds, 10 seconds. I mean, guys, are you kidding me? Like, of course, like you don't supposed to make only one prompt and think you will win the contest. Why would we do it? You need to edit. You need to think how to do it. That's the contest. That's the point, right? So that's about that. The whole point is that you make multiple videos and you do it. By the way, I kind of demonstrate it yesterday, and we did like a video in 20 minutes here in the director tool. That's the cats test. Yeah, so as you can see here, we made multiple characters and so on with the grid approach. Then we generated multiple videos out of those images. And that way you just have edited video, right? So again, this is like what we planned you guys to do. And whoever didn't know, we actually have a video editor inside Kolbo.AI. So if you go put your mouse on this app section and go here to video editor, you could actually edit the videos. Okay, so let's do here, I don't know, action scene. Now I would say the video editor is still buggy, it's still beta, but it does make, it still works. So let's choose here our project. That's weird. Okay, cool. And now I can just like, honestly, I can just drag and drop by the order I want them. So let's actually start with this one. And I already have like a video editor here in the browser. And that's really cool. So I think I will want to start it from this point, right? Delete, move it around, and so on. And now, I don't know, let's do the woman maybe. I see something doesn't move. Yeah, it's very buggy yet. It need more love, more work, more development. But I think it's also just because I have tons of shit opened in my computer. Um, Probably. Hmm. Okay, something really got broken. I'm thinking if to fix it now live or just move on. I think we'll just move on. But yeah, you can download CapCut or whatever and like, make an actual video. Let's do a small example. So let's say I'm going here to, I don't know, the creative director, and I will select one of the characters I already have. So in the visual DNA, you can actually create consistent characters. So we can use our slot and say the character in the forest, very tired on its back, 3D style. Actually, I don't even need to write 3D style. I can choose here a preset, 3D render style. And yeah, let's do 2 generations. Okay, so again, you can create visual DNAs and make consistent characters, and it's extremely easy and fun. One moment, I want to send something. Okay, let's replace to a faster model, like really fast. And now we can say that Kolbo holding, and I think I have the pump fun pill. Let's see. No, I don't have it. I think I did it one time. Okay, Kolbo holding, and let me found, yeah, image to peel shape and smile and generate. That's actually weird. I think there's something wrong with that model, with this one. So I'm going to cancel it. Something is not right, and I'm going to try again. That's weird. Let me check what's going on in the API. Yeah, it actually didn't make the images yet. I think it's actually still working. Maybe they have a problem with that model with Rivi. There isn't any other explanation. Let's see. I can see like in real time what's going on in the server. Yeah, okay. So it actually failed. It didn't even send it. Got it. Okay, that's really weird. I will check it out. Let's use different model. I'm going to copy it, send, and now I'm going to just use FluxClaim 4, generate. And hopefully now everything will be okay. Now we'll do this one, generate. Oh, yeah, okay, perfect. So here he is like laying around. And let's do the other generation. So again, you see my prompts are very minimal. It's because the director tool, the creative director tool, is able to make, to expand all the prompts and make good images. Sometimes less is more in those stuff, okay? You don't really need always to give really long prompts and stuff like that. Yeah, and here it is holding that pill. Now I want him to hold it in the forest. So I can do here, you see, I put my mouse on enhance, magic edit, and I will say, place the background to a forest and make the green and white pill he's holding much smaller. Generate. So Magic Edit is basically just image editing models, and it just created inside the same session. Now, another thing I could have done when something bad, although it did it quite fast, I have to say. Yeah, I actually did it good. So another thing I could have done is copy that, put that image in a forest background. It's very small pill. Cool. And now I can generate. So you can either work with what you already have, or you can just regenerate from scratch. I usually recommend to regenerate from scratch. It usually looks better. Okay, that's cute. Yeah, so as you can see, the pill here is not realistic. Now, why the reason why the image is not really that much good quality is because we're using very cheap model. Okay, so like, unfortunately, we still in an area we need to use really good models to get good results. In this case, maybe I can walk around and choose like semi-good model, something like Seedream, and generate. But now I want to make something much more interesting. I want to actually create the whole movie, okay? I want to create a whole concept. So that's going to be very interesting. Check it out. I'm going to do Kolbo and press our character. Story about that slot character. We start with him sleeping in the forest. Then he noticed this green and white pill like in image 2. He pick it up. It's glowing. He smiles. And then the whole universe and background transition to gold and coins and money. We end on a close-up on him. Make 8 different scenes. And now I'm going to do here 8. I'm going to choose here Nano Banana 2 Pro. And usually I will also do the grid. Okay, so the grid will allow me to make like cinematic 4 images in one image. Yeah, so as you can see, he made some cool images. I think it's the Recraft one, maybe? I don't know. So yeah, Seedream always doing it a little bit better. So now let's do our story. So basically I can also press here on enhance prompt, and now he will try to make a creative director prompt to make these 8 scenes. What's really cool about it, that yeah, it actually checking what is the amount of scenes here. So as you can see, extreme close-up, blah, 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 wide shot, and so on. I think we should also pass our original one. And generate. So that's where the magic happens. Basically, now we're going to get, you see here 8 images, but in reality, it's going to be 32 images. That's the beauty. And then we could splice it very fast and have 32 images to work with. If anyone have any question, by the way, feel free to ask. I see someone want to contact support. What happened? Wait, I'm commenting you. Okay. Cool. So Nano Banana Pro, which is the best image model currently, usually take around 2 or 3 minutes, and it's kind of expensive. It's like 15 credits for one image. So like, for 8 images, it's 120 credits. So yeah, it kind of can finish the free plan. And as you can see, he kind of made us tons of different scenes per image. Now, a lot of them we can't really use, unfortunately. Some of them quite bad. Maybe some of them will be good. But I mean, yeah, I guess I can work with some of them. Let's see. Okay, so again, the concept of the grid, that he make 4 images in one prompt. By the way, look, this is like perfect image. I can definitely work with it. This one also maybe, but he did like this weird 2D style, you see? Which will be problematic. This one as well. Yeah, that's a shame that he made this 2D style for the peel shape, Yeah, I see what he's doing here. You see, he's like try to do the transition. It's quite cool, actually. I can probably try it. Let's see. That one is cute. Okay, so what I can do now is press here on split on and upscale, and I need to select the images I want to split and upscale. In this case, honestly, I'm just going to do this one because yeah, the rest of one wasn't really usable. It's probably my fault. I should have put better prompt, but I can save some of them. So for example, here I can press here on edit, crop, and at least I can save that image. You see, I can just select it and do save. Soon we'll see it here. Yeah, here it is. So now you see we have just like this final image, and now we can do, for example, upscale. So let's do it. Upscale, generate. Okay, we definitely have a problem with the upscale. Here it did it perfectly. It actually look really good. So what I usually do in those situations, I take one image I really like, and I can just develop the story from here, So I kind of can just take these prompts and try to do it, right? So right now I will try actually to choose different model like Seedream and generate. Because we already have the full context in that image. Like we have him holding the pill and the pill look correct here. So that could be interesting test. In the meantime, maybe we can save some shots here, but no, actually most of them kind of useless. I don't really have, I mean, this one look good, but I don't have what to do with it because it's vertical. But well, at least I have those. I can even already animate them, by the way. Let's actually do it. I will press here on animate. It will pass all the images. I will choose Grok because it's really fast, and animate it with smooth camera movement and animation, realistic movements of the character, and generate. So as you can see, the power of Kolbo is also that you can just work simultaneously in the same time on multiple stuff. You don't really need to stop. Okay, Sidrim doing some cool stuff. Wow, look at this one. I think Grok have a problem with really wide images. I remember you have a problem with it, so probably the video is going to look a little bit weird. Holy shit, he did it! Can you see it? He did it! Yeah, so as I thought, sometimes if you just put an image with the whole context, that's even better than putting multiple images. Look how much beautiful it is. So yeah, honestly, I can do here animate and I don't know. Let's choose LTX maybe. Let's do fuck it. Let's do Clink 2.5 Turbo. Smooth camera movements. Animate the elements and character based on the context of each image. This is the story, and usually I just take the prompt of the images and just put it here. And now I do generate. So now we're generating 8 different images, but with much better models. So yeah, as I thought, Grok compress a little bit 21 by 9 images, but let's see the videos it's done. Cute. But I don't really have what to do with them. This one is kind of good. But yeah, basically that's it. It's quite easy. Okay, so Clink Turbo always take a bit of time, but the beauty of the creative director, usually all the videos get ready in the same time. So yeah, we wait now a little bit, but it's all going to be ready in one moment, which is really cool. Ta-da. Okay, and here it is. Wow, 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 wow. So many videos. Let's go here to my media. Holy shit. Whoa. I think it's because I said the smooth camera movement. It just got crazy. Yeah, that's a little bit crazy. I think on second hand, I would probably try to animate each scene by its own. But yeah, so definitely now you can basically do stitch videos. It will just put all the videos together. And now you have like, I wouldn't say full edited video, but like you have a cut of everything together. Usually what I will do is going to the desktop app, drag and drop it to the editing software, and proceeding from there. So I think that's it for today, guys. We're working on some, oh wait, I've seen now the comments in YouTube. Let me answer. I will tell you a little bit on what we're working. So soon, very soon, probably, Seedance 2 will be available everywhere. Whoever don't know what is Seedance 2, it's like the most crazy AI model ever created. Let me show you. Honestly, it's ridiculous how much it's good. And it's still not available in all the world, only in China. Yeah, you see it's immediately in my feed. This is fucking AI. Crazy. Can you believe it? Look at it. So very, very, very soon it's going to be available probably everywhere. And yeah, we are like really waiting for it. Also, we're going to have soon visual DNA working with videos. It means that Seedance 2.0 still not available anywhere. So what it means that visual DNA will be available. So probably all of you know that you can use Kling 3.0 with elements, right? And in Kolbo you still can't. Like if now I will go here to Kling 3.0, you will see I have multi-shot, I can build it. I can make like different scenes here. Yeah, that's all fine, but maybe you want like to use your elements, right? You want to combine one consistent character with other consistent character. So very soon, the image to video going to work with visual DNAs that you already made in Kolbo. We're going to make visual DNAs in Kolbo work with any models, with video models, with image models, even with audio models. So very soon you could upload here for characters, video reference, audio reference, and that would be very powerful because we're still using the same system of visual DNA. We're also actually working on a mobile app. I already have a mobile app in my phone, and now we just need to do tons of polishes for the mobile experience. But that's like another thing to look forward to. And we're working very hard on starting to get investments coming because we need investments. Okay, like that's a fact. We got to this point. We have a great product. It's stable. We have good ARR. Everything is good. Now it's the time we need to get investments, and that's what we're working on. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.